Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. This is conic section tutorial number 3. In this tutorial we're going to learn about and solve some sums regarding degenerate conic. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first question says, what degenerate conic does the equation represent? Also find the value of C. The equation is 2x square plus xy plus 3y square minus 3x plus 5y plus c is equal to 0. Since it is asked in the question that it is a degenerate conic, that means delta will be equal to 0. And what is this conic? The conic would be determined from the value of AB minus h square. We know that the general equation of conic is of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So the value of a over here is 2, h over here is half, b over here is 3, g over here is minus 3 by 2, f over here is 5 by 2 and c is equal to c. So now first we need to find out the value of AB minus h square. So 2 into 3 minus 1 by 2 whole square, and this value is 6 minus 1 by 4, that would be equal to 23 by 4, and hence this value is greater than 0. And if AB minus h square is greater than 0 for degenerate conic, this represents a single point. So we have find out what is the degenerate conic this equation represent, but we need to find the value of c over here. So the value of c can be found out with the help of determinant. So we know that determinant is equal to AHG HBF GF C. So substituting the value over here, that is 2 half minus 3 by 2 half 3 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 5 by 2 and C, and this value of determinant will be equal to 0. Now by solving this, we'll get 6c minus 15 by 4 minus 25 by 2 minus 27 by 4 minus c by 4, and this value is equal to 0. So by solving this, we get 23c by 4 is equal to 23. So 23 gets cancelled. The value of c is equal to 4, and hence we get the desired result. That is, this degenerate conic is a single point and the value of C is equal to 4. Let's move on to the next question. The next question says, if the equation represents a degenerate conic, then find C. Again, it is said that it is a degenerate conic and hence delta will be equal to 0, and with the help of delta being equal to 0, we'll find the value of C as we have done in the previous question. So AHG, HBF, G, F and C, by substituting the value of the coefficients, A is 1 over here, H is 0 since there is no xy term, G is minus 1, H is again 0, B is minus 1, F is plus 1, G is minus 1, F is plus 1 and C remains C, and we get minus C minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, and by solving or equating this to 0, we get the value of C as equal to 0, since minus 1 and minus 1 into minus 1 will become plus 1. This plus 1 and this minus 1 will cancel out, and hence the value of C is equal to 0. And if it is asked which is this degenerate conic, so simply we'll find the value of AB minus h square, and over here AB minus h square is less than 0, and if AB minus h square is less than 0, it is real or imaginary pair of straight lines. So guys, a very simple topic, very simple questions regarding it, and I hope you got to learn how to solve the questions related to degenerate conic. So guys, this is it from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Yojit Bhasin signing off. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.